Photoshop is dead. Yes, you heard it right. Just look at these results. Nanobanana, a new AI tool, has completely transformed how we can edit our photos with just simple prompt. Simply go to their website and log in with your email. In the prompt engine, we have two options, image to image and text to image. In the image to image option, let's upload this black and white photo of a family. Let me write the prompt, colorize this image. Now it's processing the image and there you go. You can download it and compare this image side by side with the original image. Just look how accurately it has preserved the original details and put on beautiful colors over this vintage image of a family. Let's try this image of having two children in it, a boy and girl standing side by side. Let me write my prompt. Change the image so that the two children are sitting across a table and facing each other. Click on Generate Now. It's processing your request and here we go. The same two children sitting across the table facing each other. Click on Download to download the image. Let's compare them side by side. Same dress, same face, and even the same background with a slight shadow. Wow! Even the minute of the details were preserved. Now let's test to see how it goes with changing the dress colors. I have uploaded the same children image and here is my prompt. Change the dress of the girl to pink and that of a boy to brown. Just simple unrefined prompt. Now click on Generate. It's processing. Let's wait. And boom! It could have taken a lot of time to do in Photoshop and here we did the same in few seconds. Let's see them side by side. Same photos with all the details but with our desired dress color. Black to brown and black to pink. Let's use the same photo and this time I want boy's image to be turned into a passport size photo. Here is my prompt. Turn the image of the boy to passport size photo with tie suit. Here you see my prompt isn't well structured, but let's try. Anyway, click on Generate and wait for a few seconds. And there we have our photo. Not the best of all, the image does show the boy in a separate image, not having the girl with, but tie and suit are missing. So there are some issues with it, but overall the results have been phenomenal. Here is the comparison of the two images. For testing this tool, you are given a few credits, and here is the breakdown of packages they offer. You can choose any of these based on your budget and needs. That was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching.